Welcome to our video overview on how to use and make the most of your Yealink desk phone. In this video, we will be looking at the Yealink T44W. First, we will look at all the buttons located on the phone. In the center of the phone, there is a dial pad. Like most phones, this is used to enter phone numbers, navigate phone menus, and search the directory. To the right of the dial pad are navigation buttons. These are used to navigate menus on the phone, including directory, call history, and setting menus. The OK button is used to select the highlighted entry on your screen. The X button is for canceling an input, going back in a menu, or to hang up on an active call. Below, the navigation buttons are the volume control buttons. These allow you to set the volume for your ringer, speakerphone, handset, and headset. To the right of the navigation buttons are the function buttons: mute, headset activation, voicemail access, redial and call history, speaker activation. The keys located on the left and right of the LCD screen are programmable. They are most commonly used to monitor other lines, transfer and park calls, send pages, and much more. Below the screen are 4 function keys. These keys' functions change depending if you are on an active call or if your phone is idle. When the phone is idle, the function key shows history, which displays the call information of calls placed, received, or missed on the phone. Directory, D&D, do not disturb, and menu, where you will find phone settings and features such as call forwarding, ringtone selection, language, and other customization settings. There are several ways to place calls on your Yealink phone. You may pick up the receiver, then enter the number, then pick up the receiver, enter a number, then press the speakerphone button. Enter the number, then wait for either the speakerphone or the headset to connect. Likewise, there are several ways to answer incoming calls, such as picking up the receiver, pressing the answer button, which will then use your speakerphone or headset if active. Or you may press the speakerphone key to answer the call on speakerphone. To answer a second incoming call while on an active call, just press the answer button that appears, and your current call will be placed on hold. There are several other options displayed on the function buttons when the phone is ringing. Answer, forward, which will allow you to forward ringing calls to another extension or external number. Silence, which mutes the ringing but still gives you the option to answer the call. Reject, which stops the ringing and sends the call directly to voicemail. The function buttons also change once the call is answered. These options include transfer, hold, conference, and end call. In the center of the display, you will see the caller's information, as well as a timer showing the length of the call. There are 3 ways to perform transfers on a Yealink phone. Warm transfer, or consult transfer. This allows you to privately speak to the transfer recipient before connecting with the caller and completing the transfer. To perform a warm transfer, press the transfer button. Doing this places the caller on hold. Enter the number or extension you would like to transfer to. Press call. You will now be speaking to the transfer recipient while the caller is still on hold. If the recipient accepts the transfer, you simply press transfer again. If the recipient rejects the transfer or doesn't answer, press end call, then resume to return to your original caller. A blind transfer, or cold transfer, allows you to send the call directly to the recipient with no introduction. To perform a blind transfer, press the transfer button. Again, this places your caller on hold. Enter the number or extension you would like to transfer to. Now press the B-Trans button to complete your transfer. The caller is now sent to the destination and is no longer on an active call on your phone. You may also use the programmable buttons next to the screen, if configured, to perform a one-button transfer by simply pressing the destination button when you have an active call connected. To send a call directly to someone's voicemail, transfer the call to 03 and then the extension number. The conferencing feature allows you to add multiple callers to a single call. The T44W model can perform 5-way calling, allowing you to add up to 4 participants to an active call. To initiate a conference, press the Conference button while on an active call. Then enter the number or extension of the participant you would like to add, and then press Call. To add the new caller to the conference, press the 2 button, then Conference once more. You may add additional numbers, up to 4 calls on this model. To add more participants, just repeat the previous process. Please note that if you hang up, the conference call will continue with the other callers and will not be dropped. When there is a voicemail message on your phone, the LED light on top of the phone will flash. You will also see indicators on the LCD screen. To access your voicemail, press the voicemail button. If you have more than one mailbox on your phone, for example, a general mailbox, you will be shown a list of mailboxes and how many messages are in each mailbox. Select the mailbox you would like to check using the navigation keys, then press Connect. Now, enter your voicemail PIN followed by pound. Voicemail PINs are provided by your office manager or set via the welcome email when you first received your phone. You may also change your voicemail PIN from your portal. Reach out to support at my.yovu.ca if you have any more questions.